Struggling to find your WiseTag for payments? In 30 seconds, I will show you exactly where it is. Just 2 simple clicks in your Wise account. Let me walk you through it. So here is the thing about WiseTag. It is that little identifier that lets people send you money directly without needing your email or bank details. It is super convenient when you're splitting a dinner bill or getting paid for freelance work. But for some reason, Wise does not exactly put it front and center. I have seen so many people dig through menus, wondering where it went, so let me fix that right now. Start by logging into your Wise account. I am going to assume you are already on the dashboard. Now, the first thing you want to do is look at the left-hand sidebar. Do you see where it says Payments? That is your starting point. Click on Payments. Now, this is the main hub where all your incoming and outgoing transactions live, but we are not here to look at your history. We are here to find that tag. So once you land on the Payments page, you need to look for a section called Payment Tools. It is usually grouped together with your account details. I have seen this menu labeled differently depending on whether you are on desktop or mobile, but on the standard web version, it is right there on that same left sidebar, just below where you clicked. Go ahead and navigate to Payment Tools, and when you click that, you will see it, right there, your WiseTag. It looks like a username, usually a string of letters and numbers. It might be something like example.wise. Click on it. Now here is the really important part. When you click that tag, it actually copies it to your clipboard automatically. You do not have to highlight it or right-click it. Wise adds a little confirmation message that pops up to let you know it has been copied. So you are now ready to paste it anywhere. Send it in a text message, put it in your invoice, add it to your Venmo or PayPal bio if you want. That tag is your direct line for receiving money. And I want to offer a quick tip here. If you are using the mobile app, the process is very similar. Open the app, tap on the Payments tab at the bottom of the screen. Then look for the gear icon or a section labeled something like Account Details or Receive. Your WiseTag will be right there. It might not be called Payment Tools on the phone, but the tag is always in the area where you manage how people pay you. So, to recap, 1. Log in and go to Payments. 2. Find Payment Tools and click your WiseTag. That is it. 2 clicks and you are done. No digging through settings, no confusing drop-down menus. I hope that cleared things up. Now you can share your tag with confidence and start receiving payments the easy way. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And if there is another Wise feature you are struggling to find, let me know in the comments. I will cover it for you. Thanks for watching.